Hi there, Jasmine, Noronha here from Royal Lipid Signature. I know we had a very big snowstorm, something which you have not seen in years. But I just wanted, if you're a homeowner and you live in homes like, and this may be your first snowstorm, or you might be living in the house for long and we forget things. I wanted you to take two things. One is the drain and the exhaust. I will show it to you. So the property which is just beside me has a drain. I'm talking, so see that you all don't block it. If something is there closer to your property, keep it open. And the second one, I will be talking about the exhaust. That exhaust pipe, you can see that one near the AC. You can see that the snow has not covered it, and keep it away, because if that gets blocked, your house will be covered with carbon monoxide and nobody wants that. So stay safe, stay warm.